Greetings everyone, Johnny Linoleum here. Today we're going to take a look at the Powerbuilt half-inch deflecting beam torque wrench. This appears to be a Warren and Brown clone. It's rated from 2% above and below. It is a non-ratcheting torque wrench. Now I picked this up on Amazon for like 89 bucks. I like it, it's pretty good, but it has a couple of little quirks, or one main one. It is 19¼ inches long, just over 3 pounds, the usual plastic case. It has a sliding scale. You loosen this and you move it to where you want to set it. It'll measure in foot-pounds, 20 to 220, Newton meters, 40 to 300, and I believe this is how you pronounce kilogram meters, 4 to 30. It's pretty easy to set it on the line once you get used to it. Again, it is non-ratcheting. The one quirk is that pin. You have to set that pin every time you use it. If you don't, it'll just keep tightening and you'll either snap the torque wrench or whatever you're tightening up. Each time you use it, you have to reset it, and I'll show you how that works. I'm going to try it out on the comparator right now for a couple of shots, and then we'll take it out to the truck and put it onto a lug nut and see what you think. Let me get set up. I'll be right with you. Sorry about that. All right, looks like we're ready to go. 1 second. Okay, the pin is in. Here we go. I've got it set for 100. And you listen. That was the pin. Reset it so you can hear the click and you can see the pin. Okay, we'll do one more. Set the pin. Here we go. Seems pretty accurate. All right, next we're going to go out to the truck. Let me set up. All right. The pin is loaded. I'm going to turn on the Quinn torque adapter. It's ready to go. Now, I had this thing set at 82, so it'll buzz for a few seconds, and when I go past the scale, it'll stop. Here we go, 100 pounds. All right, that came back at 100.03. Oh, can't show it. Try it again. Set the pin. And one more. That last one came in at 95.6. 1 second. Sorry for the lousy editing. My 13-year-old granddaughter is not here to show me what to do. But anyway, I like it. You haven't seen any videos on it on YouTube. How Powerbuilt came about this thing, I have no idea. Like I said, it's a Warren and Brown clone, or at least looks like it, out of Australia. As far as I know, there's only one U.S. distributor out in Los Angeles in the harbor. And even they don't have the full lineup. I tried to contact Powerbuilt, but no one ever got back to me. So, I like it. I think it's pretty cool. One last thing. Yesterday I did a video on the torque comparator. And I forgot to mention that basically this is not for pinpoint accuracy. This is where you mount it on a wall, or like I have it on a piece of wood, and you can check your torque wrench before you start a job to see if you're in the neighborhood, or if you're really way over or way under, to see if you need to be recalibrated. That's all I got for now. Let me know what you think. Thank you.